Hello folks, this is Elikon, Mr. Media, and I want to connect my Atari STE to my old Sony VGA screen because I have many songs I played on notator logic. So this is the video. At first, I had to look for the diagram, how to connect the screen out. I found some videos on YouTube and some schematic diagrams on the internet. Here you can see, you can stop the video and take a screenshot. And this is the best one I found. Then I found a VGA cable, which I cut. Okay, just cut the cable so that I'll have one connection at the end. This is the cable after I cut it. Then, of course, I had to reveal all the wires, okay, remove all the shieldings. See, aluminum foil shieldings for the RGB and for the H-sync and V-sync, horizontal and vertical. Here you can see some the wires unshielded. Here you can see the RGB and the sync. I don't remember the colors now, but each cable is different. This is the connector which I bought on eBay. I bought a bunch of them, something like 10 for me and some from friends. Soldered all the wires and closed it. And now it's time to check. Plugged the Atari connection, the Atari plug. Plugged the VGA into my Sony screen. And this is my notator logic C-Lab software. אוקיי, ואחרי העבודה הקשה הגיע הזמן להפעיל את המחשב. It's time to power on the Atari STE. האם זה יעבוד? Will it work? Click and אוקיי, המסך. Yeah! Desk file view options Atari booted up. Yeah! Atari עובד. Okay, so after I've booted up the Atari, now it's time to load my program. So I put in the disk, the notator, and waited for the floppy. It's loading, 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 and I've got an error. The diskette is corrupted. So I found another copy and it worked. I loaded my notator. This is the latest version 3.21, the latest version of notator. And I tried also to format some diskettes since I have all my songs backed up on my PC. Thank God for that. And it loaded up. So I connected the MIDI out of the Atari to the MIDI in of my laptop. I have an old Cubase. This is Cubase SE1. That's enough. Just play on one computer and record on the other one. And all the songs are being transferred. The MIDI data is being transferred from my Log3 dongle. Recording. And it works. So this is how I got my Atari back to life. And as you can hear in the background, this is my arrangement for a disc called Shalom Lach Orachat, Hello Guest. The songs, the MIDI data is being played on the Atari STE to my laptop, being recorded on the Cubase using my creative speakers. So if you have old Atari notator logic songs and you want to transfer them to MIDI files or to Cubase, just give me a note and I'll be happy to help you.